Aalisin mo jowa, sunod natin. Aalisin magjowa, susunod tayo. Ayan dyan lang. Wow, grabe. Sweet na sweet. Wow, grabe. Sweet na sweet yung dalawa. Yun. Sweet yung dalawa mga kaibigan. May sariling kamera si Jumjum. Wow, nice. Wow, wow, wow. Grabe. Ay, 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 ay. Yes, grabe. Kurmahan yan. Grabe. Sweet ng Jomcar sa Sentosa mga kaibigan. Ha? Yes! Grabe! Ang saya! Ang saya-saya! Guwapo at maganda. Yan. Jumcar. Hanggang dulo. Yes, grabe. Guwapo. Ang bira yan, guwapo-guwapo. Grabe. So sweet. Ay, sweet naman, grabe. Ay! Grabe yan mga kaibigan, no? Nagsama yung dalawa, no? Nawala. Ayun, yun. Yun. Ang bira yan, nawala. Tara doon. Ano Carla, enjoy ka dito? Nag-enjoy ka? Masaya rin po mga kaibigan. Masaya si Carla. Siyempre, kasama si Jumjum. Pag kasama po ang mahal sa buhay, di ba? Alam na this, na talagang masayang masaya. Dalawa. Bayot? Yun na bayot? Yun, dinumog siya ng bakla ay Jumar. Papa Jones po dinumog ng bakla. Kaya nga po nagpuyat. Pinag-agawan dito kanina. Mga Indiano pati. Bawal pa dito po, bawal pa lang pumasok sa loob ng hotel. Sa labas lang sila, oh. Si Carla. Mag-hi ka, Carla. Yan. Carla muna at wala si Jomar ay. Wala si Jomar po at
quiet in between. Not a word, not even sound, but somehow I still turn around. No spotlight, you stayed low, but I felt something start to grow. Through the stillness, through the air, like a whisper saying, I'm right there behind the crowd, behind the light. You stayed until the end of the night. Found your silence like a thread. Pulled me in but nothing said. You were there, I know you were. In the hush it all occurred. Behind felt unsaid, but still it echoed in my head. They were laughing, making noise. I was lost but knew your voice. Not in words but in the way. You never had to even stay. You don't need to make a move. Your silence was its own kind of truth. It hit me softer than a line, but lingered deeper every time. Behind the crowd, behind the light, you stayed until the end of the night. Felt your silence like a thread. Pulled me in but nothing said. You were there, I know you were. In the hush it all occurred. Behind felt unsaid, and now it's ringing in my head. Maybe someday I'll look back and laugh at all I didn't ask. But right now all I've got instead are things behind felt and unsaid. Behind the crowd, behind the light, you stayed until the end of the night. Felt your silence like a thread. Pulled me in but nothing said. Still I wonder, still I burn.